Tomorrow is the finals. Please, no rain. Ow. Okay, I'll take that as a sign. That definitely wasn't a bird. This has to be a joke. No way. Okay, this is mine now.
You won't believe what I found.
Last time it was a broken watch. It fell from the sky yesterday. It controls the weather. You're joking? You did that? Maybe I'm just lucky.
That wasn't normal.
That wasn't normal. Okay, magician, show us.
Watch this.
See? Sunny, windy, rainy, rain. Why is it raining only on our balcony? Science project.
Or bigger.
You guys ready? Watch this. What is that?
Stop. This isn't right. Wait, I didn't press wind. What is happening?
Why isn't it working?
Imbalance detected. Imbalanced.
Who said that?
Weather system, not a toy.